if you are in the HVAC contracting space and you don't own the company, you should look at potentially owning the company you work for. The reason being, the average buyer of an HVAC company is typically a current employee. And if that's you and you are good and business savvy and you can do sales and you're a great technician, you should start having a discussion with the owner of the company about succession planning and one day acquiring and purchasing that company from the owner. So if that is a possibility, or if you're interested in buying an HVAC business, there are dozens upon dozens of individuals who own HVAC companies all across the country who are looking to sell. And if you want to own a business and you are spectacular at what you do within the HVAC space, you can sell, you can run operations, you're good with people, you should look at buying an HVAC company. So if that is you, feel free to give Peak Business Valuation a call at 435-359-2684 or visit our website, peakbusinessvaluation.com.